Students, welcome in chemistry session. Good morning to all of you. Here in continuation of our parts, that is electrophilic substitution reaction and nucleophilic substitution reactions. As the part of the nucleophilic substitution reactions, in previous lecture we have been studied the part of this is the Michael addition reactions. If we are having the starting reactant molecules what active methylene group, it is reacted with what alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. It may be that these types of the atoms or group of atoms, it must be electron withdrawing group. As we have been studied the information of in the presence of the basic condition, that is what a sodium ethoxide ATONA. So what happens? The formation of the types of the product is obtained, that is what active methylene group. If we are in this active methylene group is there, so this is the cyclohexanon. It is react with the basic condition, then formation of what 1 2 3 4 carbon, 1 2 3 and 4th carbon atom. So this is what, so you can take CS2 these atoms are group of atoms. If these types of the reactant molecules, again it is react with the base that is sodium ethoxide, then what happen? What is the types of the product? What is the types of the product? Predict the product with mechanism. If you have to provide from this to this, this is called as what Michael addition reaction. So this is the Michael addition reaction, is the types of the nucleophilic addition reaction. So this is called as what nucleophilic addition reaction. If we are having this provide such types of the reactant in presence of the basic condition, so what happen? If the starting reactant molecule is what, a starting reactant molecule is, this is the carbonyl, that is dicarbonyl, as you can say this is the bicarbonyl is there. If it is react with the base having tendency to abstract the proton, so there is formation of the carbon ion, formation of or generate carbon ion species having tendency to goes to the enolate ion formation. Then what happen? This is the enolate ions. Again I am written these types of the species is there. So this is the O negatively charged, this enolate ions. So having tendency to what, this enolate ions, this is what here, then having tendency to this nucleophilic addition on this carbon oxygen multiple bond. So I am writing here this nucleophilic addition on carbon hetero multiple bond. As you can say nucleophilic addition on carbon hetero multiple bond. Then what happens? This nucleophilic carbon is attack on these types of the carbon which contain this carbon oxygen multiple bond or double bond. So that's why we call nucleophilic addition on carbon hetero multiple bond. Then formation of what, the types of the product is this intermediate is obtained, that is 6 member. As you can say 6 member cycle is formed. This is going to the formation of the negative charge, and this is the C double bond O is as it is. So there is generation of the new CC bond. So generation of the new sigma bond is formed. Then what happens? This is react with the H plus acidic condition, then formation of what, this is what we can take these types of the species, that is what, this goes to the formation of OH, and here there is a formation of this carbonyl nucleus is as it is here. Then formation of what, loss of, यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे आप, loss of water molecule means what, we can say this condensation is takes place minus H2O, and formation of what, the types of the product is obtained. This is called as what, these types of the alpha beta unsaturated cyclic compound, starting from these types of what, cyclohexanon with alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. As you can say this is the Michael donor. These types of the species is Michael donor, this is Michael acceptor. So this is called as what, Michael acceptor. ये Michael acceptor है, Michael donor है. Then formation of the Michael addition product. Again this Michael addition product of the Michael addition reaction, it is treated with the basic condition, followed by this is a acidic hydrolysis and formation of these types of the species. This is called as alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound. So this is the product of, as you can say here, the types of the reaction is takes place Michael followed by aldol reaction. Michael followed by aldol reaction is known as what, Robinson's. इसको कहा जाता है Robinson's annulation. So it is called as what? Robinson's annulation reaction. It is known as what? Robinson's annulation reaction. इसको कहा जाता है Robinson's annulation reaction. So this is called as what? Types of the product is obtained. So not only this is the 6-member cycle, but also it obtained 5-member, 4-member as well as 7-member. So it must be cyclic compound, as it is treated with what? Michael, it is condition of the basic condition, it is what? Diketone. So not only these types of the species is ketone, but also here you can in this another types are these atoms or group of atoms, it must be what? Electron withdrawing group. Again here also we can say this is the electron withdrawing group is here. So then as if you have to take in these types of the reactant species, the cyanide is here. So no doubt there is what? A CN is there, but these atoms are group of atoms, the basic condition is abstract proton from here, and 1 2 3 again the cyclization is there, 1 2 3 4. So the 4-member cyclic product is obtained. If we have to provide it some reactant and the reaction condition, so the question is asked in your competitive exams, NET JII, this is the IIT as well as SET and GATE exam. So how the question is asked in your competitive exam? Predict the product with mechanisms. You have to provide the options. So predict the product in mechanism. अब यहाँ पे प्रोडक्ट आपको प्रेडिक्ट करना है. The question is that predict the product with mechanism as the part of your MSc level exam. So that is the MSc level exam. Such types of the question is asked. You have to provide it. A reactant species is there. Ethyl group is here. Predict the product with mechanism. Again, the first step we can take, this is the basic condition, and second step we can take, this is the acidic condition. What happened? Again, predict the product with mechanism. So the third one, as you can say, this is what? You have to provide it. This fourth one and fifth one example is that ester is there. The same reaction condition as above. What is the product? यहाँ पे आपको ये रिएक्टेंट और रिएक्शन कंडीशन दिया है, इसका प्रोडक्ट निकालना है by using path of mechanism. So this is most important from your that is the part of the semester. MSc semester, NET exam, as well as NET, SET and GATE. It is more also helpful for this is the IIT JAM. So these types of the question is asked in your competitive exam. Predict the product with mechanism on the basis of the reactions.